What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video, and we're playing Piggy 100 players so we can play Disorted Memory. We might not be able to get to beat it. Look how small we are. Dude, this is amazing. I can't believe we actually... I don't know. I mean, hopefully the audio works. Disorted Memory. 10 bots. I have Polly. That was in chapter 10 when chapter 11 came out. A few hours after after Outpost came out. That's when Polly came out. Yeah, we're doing 10 bots. Let's do this. And we're gonna probably not make it. We can only play one round because of the limit of the recording. George Pog. We meet again. Okay, shush. Dude, okay, when I'm recording from now on, I know I could just look at the top right here. Oh god, this feels so weird. The weird thing, I'm playing like basically Stranger Things, because I was just watching Stranger Things like a few minutes ago. Oh, nice. The 10 memory. Oh, wait, what? Oh, God! Oh! Oh my God! They're all inside of each other.
I got corn.
No! Dude, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Let's just do player, and then whoever's the player. Infection. Infection. Yeah, I'm making this video for Memories of Disorted Memory. No, this video is supposed to be Memory of Disorted Memory. This is so weird, because it looks like Stranger Things, and a few minutes ago I was just watching Stranger Things. Wow. I want to do a face reveal so bad, but I want to do it at 50 subs. Okay, we are doing 10 bits. I mean, he could shout out his channel, then I'll get more subs than him. He could shout. And subscribe to me if you haven't. If you don't have an account, just make an account. I remember playing this when it was in the Real Piggy game until chapter 12 came out. Okay? You better shoot one of the pigs. Where's Blue Key at? I remember where everything spawns. It's just there's 10 bots right in front of my eyes. Wait, I can turn the audio up because there's no copyright music. Where are they? Shoot! Ah! Run! me. I want that. I wanted that green key. I'm going in. I'm locking the memories outside with you. I'm locking the memories inside with you, dude. No, it's not. It's a good map. How dare you? Oh! Oh! I got an orange key. This is bad. I just gone to the upside down. Ugh. I'm using orange key and I'm running for my life. Oh, I got plank. I got the plank. No. Oh, no. Ah. Oh. No. No. Bad memory. Wow, this really is a nightmare. Wow. I didn't know George had such a bad nightmare. My worst nightmare. I'd rather Stranger Things be real. Are you sure about that? I got an inch. I'm gonna play with. I got that inch. I already used it. I got dinosaur. I got it. Wait, are you dead? Wait, what? I'm gonna try and beat this. Which I probably ain't. You already know that. Basically, are you kidding me? I gotta use it on the cell. I mean, I got more than... I'm gonna use the robot first. Okay, I can basically escape. But I can't right now, because I got these guys. I need some, these guys? These guys just love chasing people, huh? This piggy infection story is crazy. I wonder what's so crazy about it. I did one yesterday. I'm not doing another one, dude. My game kept freezing. And I thought the recording was freezing, which was worse. Dude, let me pick up the key. This one's wrong. No! I'm 5. 5 minutes left. We got this. We can't. Dude, I even saw the yellow key so we could get code. Yeah, but if you went in... I don't know. The app just only has a 15-minute limit. Yeah, because I'm the one recording. No, wait, where'd Aiden go? My feet. Let's do it on Trader. Let's see if there's one. No, there's gonna, like, one bot. If there's 10 bots, I give up. The video's over. Well, then what's the point of being traitor, huh? Okay, so one of you are the traitor. It's not me. What's up? No, I don't believe any of you. I'm staying away from you guys. Yeah. Using on the lasers. Okay. God. There's only one? No, there's not. Well, I was a traitor, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video here. Just shut up. I have a 15-minute limit on the video, so I can't control it. And also, it's been past 10 minutes. Okay, if you want proof, once I upload this video, you'll see. Okay, now we're at 12 minutes. Okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, face reveal at 50 subscribers. I don't have a star creator code. I mean, I want one. Oh, no. Okay, bye, guys. Bye. Bye, viewers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.